Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video. Today I'll show you how to enable Apple Intelligence in your phone. That you need to, before we begin, you need to first you check your list updated. If you're not updated your device to the latest one, if you give trouble, we go to setting. From setting, we go to software update. Wait for a second. That depends on your internet connection. You see I have iOS 18.1.1 is the last one. And the second thing, when you go to Apple Intelligence, where that, go back again. You see Apple Intelligence and Siri. You see, I'm already work with me. You see, hey Siri. You see, it's work. Uh, the first thing you need to make sure that the language is set up to English United States. Speak into to United that United States. It works. If you choose another English country, maybe it not work with you. The second step, go to general. From general, go to language and region. Press on it. I need to make sure that your language of your device is English and the region to United States. And after that, you go back and go back again to Apple Intelligence and browse and enable the Apple Intelligence mode. Enable that will appear that you are in the wait list. It may take 2 hours to up to 2 days or immediately that will activate your Apple Intelligence. And this video for today, I will hope that video help you. Our next video I will post how to enable Apple Intelligence in Mac and iPad. And see you in next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new fix stuff in iOS system or Apple system ecosystem. See you next time. Bye bye.